As you know, in a worldwide healthcare segment, preventive healthcare is at its all-time high because the fast and demanding life of today's world is testing us at every moment. And to succeed, we always have to give our best. But while doing so, we make many compromises on our health, which results in stress, hypertension, asthma, and many other lifestyle diseases. This stressful and unhealthy lifestyle also leads to many chronic illnesses like metabolic diseases, chronic organ failure, and cancer. The key to avoid these is getting earliest detection. Keeping the motive of prevention is better than cure. Nidan is progressing aggressively towards better health of the people of India. Dr. Nitin Thorve, who is a first-generation entrepreneur with over 25 years of experience across industries like healthcare, education, infra, hotels, resorts, and sugar mills. He is the promoter of the company. Dr. Thorve, a medical graduate, didn't just limit himself in the medical field. He further nurtured his skills with management studies from the prestigious Harvard University. Amongst all business verticals, healthcare and infrastructure business have grown rapidly in this decade for Nidan Group. Royalty and class are the adjectives which come with Nidan. Nidan has maintained world-class infrastructure with unique brand quality at all centers, spacious and designed for patients' convenience with well-crafted interiors, fully equipped with the state-of-art technical equipments for superior diagnosis and reporting, renowned in the locality for having introduced latest technology at respective locations. While looking at the health scenario and health issues that India are going through, Nidan has mastered and updated themselves with many of the unique test reports, let it be radiology, pathology, cardiology, and diagnostic services, and that too at highly affordable prices are offered under one roof. Nidan has designed an online booking engine through which patients would be able to perform their tests in half of the normal rates. The company is presently managed by a well-experienced team of the board of directors who have developed themselves as a visionary for the organization. Ashish Jain. Dr. Ashish Jain is CEO and is a highly qualified radiologist having 2 decades of experience in managing the division. He is continuously behind the qualitative services to the patients. Mr. Edwin Dabre joined Nidan in the field of land and developing. By his experience, Mr. Dabre has contributed in Nidan's excellence. Mr. Atul Hande, the alumni of Mumbai University, is working in Nidan since its inception in real estate. His dedication and passion has made him CEO of Nidan in real estate. Mrs. Tejal Yende, the qualified young gun, is there in Nidan to lead finance and audit. Her hard work incorporates with amazing talent to give rewarding results. Ms. Sonal Chaudhary handles accounts of the company. To run such a global organization, directors are always on their toes. So be that rejuvenation of staff or be that modernization of equipments, people at Nidan believe in staying in present while aiming at future. Nidan Diagnostics presently operates 20 diagnostic centers in and around Mumbai region and also operates with a couple of branches located in Pune district. The present diagnostic centers of the company are located at. Due to the success that Nidan has received in diagnostics in Maharashtra region, the company has planned more centers all across India, which not only includes metros but other sub-cities as well. With aiming high plans, goes to touch global horizon through international expansion. The diagnostic activities that are presently executed by the company are MRI, CT scan, digital X-ray, sonography, color Doppler, mammography, OPG, BMD, ECG, EEG, PFT, stress test, 2D echo, pathology. The company has brought the latest technology in medical diagnostics and is undoubtedly the most comprehensive world-class diagnostic center, offering a wide range of above services all under one roof. The company aims at understanding the criticality of correct diagnosis to effective cure, provides accurate results in the shortest possible time, using the latest computerized equipments blended with the state-of-the-art technology. The Nidan Diagnostics has major tie-ups with several corporate giants for conducting diagnostic tests of their employees, and moreover, it is also empaneled with several insurance providers to conduct tests of policyholders. This model ensures sustainability of revenue as a heavy patient flow is generated on a continuous basis. Nidan's potential value is well appreciated by many renowned VC and FDIs, through which Nidan has planned its growth across nation, with almost 100 centers in next 3 years of time. Nidan's efforts towards giving affordable care to people is well appreciated by the giants of the society from time to time. Nidan has spread its wings by joining hands with some of the major hospitals, joint venture for opening 20+ centers in West Africa, Asian Heart Hospital, BKC, Mumbai.
I'm happy that Asian Heart Institute had joined hands with Nidan Group in setting up the latest MRI scan in the whole country, which is Asian Nidan MRI Center. This cardiac MRI machine is the latest in the country for providing the cutting-edge technology, and I'm pretty sure this is the unique and the best in the country, where the patients with heart problem will get a most important diagnosis done with these latest images, and it will help in the treatment. I take this opportunity to thank Nidan Group, as well as also to be proud that Asian Heart is associated with them, and I wish this center the best success.
To reach more clients and provide them world-class services, Nidan runs strong business strategies. Plus to this, Nidan runs promotional offers, discounts and privilege cards to create brand loyalty among consumers. Marketing to doctors include PRO team, CMEs and weekly visits by center heads. Nidan understands their customers very well, to serve them well and to make each penny count. Nidan has developed unique healthcare packages apart from the routine way of diagnosing. Nidan runs no profit, no loss services for BPL patients. More than 30% concessional rates for card-holder police personnel. Apart from diagnostics, Nidan has spread its wings in the hotels and restaurant business as well. All are unique in its own way. With Martins Inn, Arnala Resorts and Nidan Empire, Nidan has entered in the unique luxury experience of hotels and resorts. Welcome to Martins Inn, a 3-star hotel located at Arnala Beach. Be it business or pleasure, Martins Inn Hotel offers all its customers worldwide a modern hotel with the finest luxuries. So be that wedding, conferences and meetings, corporate event, birthday parties, social events, anything like that, Martins Inn has a solution. Martins Inn, where you will get the world-class facilities like body massage center, spa, gym, indoor games, safety deposit lockers, fitness center, indoor pool, banquets and conference halls, as well as you get restaurant, laundry service, elevator, room service, Wi-Fi, internet, car park, doctor on call. Nidan Group, caring for you always.